Let me show you how to remove the front door card of your Volkswagen Polo 9N and 9N3. Tools that you require are a plastic trim remover, you have a T20 and a T30 with a ratchet and extension, and a 10mm socket. First of all, go ahead and disconnect your negative of your battery. This door card is a manual wind up for the window. You have two T20 just underneath the door card, one over there and the other one over there. And you have two T30s just behind this panel over here. So first, go ahead and get your trim remover tool and just pry this part of your door card. So once you get your trim remover tool into its position, just pry it. Once you've removed the trim piece, behind it you have a T30 over here and a T30 over there. Go ahead and remove them. So I've just noticed something. I have normally two, but we have three in fact in this door card. One over here, one in the center which is already removed, and one just right at the end. So guys, just double check if you have two or three. So there possibly could be three in there rather than two. So once you remove the two T30s and the three T20 bolts on the bottom, you then want to go ahead and remove your manual wind up for your window. And all you do is this bit over here, you need to push to the left. It's quite tricky. Let me see if I can get this on camera for you. Like that. If I show you this way, and then you just pull out. So if you see over this one over here, that's locked. That's unlocked. Okay, so push it, so it will be like this. Push it and pull it. Now pretty much the door card is ready to remove. So what you want to do is empty your door card, get your trim remover tool, get a space to wedge it behind the door card, just like that. Just clip over there. So as you see, it's already loose. And just pry it all the way around, and as you see, it's now nice and loose. There you go. Okay, now what you want to do is pull up on the door card. Okay, we just want to get it off the seal around the window. Just like that. And this way you realize your door was actually blue from the inside. Okay, once you remove the door card, because it's got no electrics, I've just got this handle over here. My strip came off with the door card and it didn't stay on the door panel, so I've just removed it. I've just removed it just to show you this way over here. This just unhook it, and you've got your door card removed. Guys, that's how you remove a door card of a VW Polo 9 and 9N3. I hope you enjoyed the episode. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. We'll see you in the next one.